Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is for the people who are feeling stuck. Maybe you are not motivated enough right now. Maybe something's going on in life, financially, mentally, emotionally, and you are draining right now, right? And if it is regarding finance, I'm here to help you. How can I help you? So, number one thing I can teach you about what Tony Robbins says: proximity is power. What does that mean? It means surrounding yourself with the positive and energetic people. There is a saying, you are an average of 5 people that you surrounded by and the people you are spending the most time with. If you are spending time with the people who are low energy, low income, low motivation, probably that's one of the reason you are just like them. Or if you are spending time with people who are, they care for you but they also drain you, similar thing can happen. My advice is to change your surrounding. There are enough high income leaders out there. You just have to reach out to them, and if you're not sure whom to reach out to us. We'll help you out to find those people where you can spend your day and your regular time with, so that you can also gain your standards. So take an advantage of proximity. Number 2 is you have to look for opportunities. There are many opportunities out there, and sometimes it doesn't take too long to start something. Start with little things, baby steps, self-employment, something, even starting with like doing Uber or an extra income opportunity, or just by starting by doing a job, an extra income, right? And slowly you will realize it will manage to help you out in your financial journey. It's not a day game. It's not gonna change your life in a month, but it can happen in a year or 3-year or 5-year period, right? You just have to do it consistently and you will see the results. Another thing is, if you are in currently debt, if you are like, you have to pay your car loans, your friends, you owe money to them, or any companies, your banks, if you are owing the money, well, for that scenario, you have to look for the professional. There are government consultants, there are companies who are able to help you out in that, right? And if you are not sure what to do, feel free to reach out to us. We know some connections. Will help you out how to manage your debt properly. Another thing is, as I told you earlier, you have to consider having an extra income. You won't even realize having an extra few $100 a month or a few $1,000s a month, that will significantly change your life. And 5 months, 10 months down the road, that will help you to really transform your financial journey, right? So that's some of the tips I can give you in order to come out of by feeling stuck. And of course, daily invest in yourself by listening to people, listening to podcasts, listening to YouTube channels, and listening to all the motivational speakers, leaders, educators, influencers, right? And by doing that, you will realize day after day, month after month, you will grow yourself. And again, if you are not sure in any of these steps, you can feel free to reach out to me. I will link the link below in the description. I provide 30 minutes consultation for free, so take advantage of it, and I would love to help you on one-on-one. Happy to serve. Cheers.